and today I'm gonna bring some little lights, like LED lights that change different colors. These are actually pretty good and pretty decent. I mean, I set them up outside. Actually, I kept them out for a month already. Rain, storm, and shine, and they're still working. I actually took them off the wall right now, temporary, so you guys can check them out. I have them mounted with screws. They work really handy. One option is that you could put double-sided tape and put on the vinyl plastics that you guys have. This is a great option. So those that are going to set them up, perfect for you guys. They stick really good, double-sided tape. On and off button is hidden in the bottom, if you guys can see it. And a little tiny little LED light, plenty of space for charging solar light. You don't ever have to worry about them because once you turn them on, you don't have to ever turn them off. They have a night to day sensor. They will recognize it. They'll turn themselves off and they'll start charging. So we're gonna set this up today. Well, actually I have them set up already, but I'm gonna show you how to turn them on. There's an on button in here. All right, as you can see, I'm gonna point out a couple of things. There is an on and off button, and there's a mode button too. On the mode button, you could change it, and because I had these outdoors already for quite a while, I'm using something a little sharp in here so you guys can see it. I'm gonna change the mode right now because it's changing for blue, but you could change different colors. And you could change it to pulsing, to regular lights, which is pretty neat. So I'll put these to use tonight. See what you guys think. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.